number 4. Sa babae, kindly step forward. Candidate number 5. Yan po yung mga pinapalakpakan nyo kanina. Binibilang po namin, hindi nyo lang alam. Okay, thank you. Congratulations. This time, Mr. and Miss Close-Up Smile. Ang mga kandidata, habang nagpa-practice pa lang yan, tingnan namin kung paano sila ngumiti. Gawin present dapat. Kahit saan anggulo. Hello. Kahit saan anggulo, magandang alam pagkakangiti. Pero magandang ngumiti, subalit hindi naman maganda ang ngipin. Of course, mali yun. Ibinasa namin sa magandang pagngiti. Of course, fashion sense of grooming, and at the same time, buo ang ngipin. Ladies and gentlemen, Johor Overseas Filipino Association, we would like to present the award for Mr. and Miss Close-Up Smile. Ewan ko ba kung bakit talagang lagi nakangiti ang dalawang ito. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, the award goes to candidate, or rather pay, number 3. This time, before we will announce the magic 6, 3 girls, 3 female, 3 males. We will introduce first our state contestant. Okay. Thank you, candidates. In a few minutes, we will come back.